Yeah, it's been a long break, and yeah, we are back with part two of Footbridge construction. And if you haven't checked on part one, please, it's on the playlist. Check playlist, and then if you are new here, please subscribe and then hit the notification bell below. Here today we are in construction, and in this process, I take you through step by step on how to do reinforcement of foundation footing and also to do reinforcement for the column, the necessary requirements, and the consideration to put in place during. This is the foundation footing for the column, and during this process, the reinforcement was done using a steel of dia 16 and 12 for the main bars and the distribution bars. And during the reinforcement purposes, the spacing between the main bars and the distribution bars was 200 mm. For the spacing purposes, you can use 100 to 200 depending on the type of load your foundation will be carrying. And also after the reinforcement of the base foundation, there was the installation of the column. And as you can see, also the steel plate was installed. The purpose of the steel plate it's just help to distribute the load to the foundation and also to hold our column. So after so we are in the on the reinforcement of the column. For the column reinforcement, it depends also on the type of load the column will be carrying. So for our column that will be carrying the major loads, we use the 25 for the longitudinal bars, and for the ring bar we use the 16. Yeah, for the ring bars we use the 16. That one is for the major column that will be the column that will be carrying major loads. And then for our minor column, the minor column we use dia 16 and dia 12 for the longitudinal bars, and for the ring bar we used dia 8. And also spacing between the major column, between the spacing between the ring bar and the longitudinal bar. For the major bar, the spacing was 150 mm, but at the lower edge, the spacing was 100 mm. That is done to increase the strength of the column. Yeah, the spacing at the edge is a bit less to increase the strength at of the column. And for our minor bars, the spacing was also 200, but at the edge the spacing was 150. Yeah, and also another thing to put into consideration during this process of reinforcement, make sure your extra seal rods are provided at the length at a proper length. Yeah, so the extra steel rods will help in reducing the negative bending moment, so they must be provided at a proper length. And also another thing, make sure of your spacing when doing the reinforcement. The spacing should be at 100 to 200 mm. That's the appropriate standard. And also another thing to put into consideration during this process is just the depth of your concrete. Yeah, the depth of your concrete when you are doing the concreting, also you must put into consideration. That one will be doing according to the design. Yeah, so I think that's the whole process for the reinforcement. Yeah, just make sure the spacing is well done, and proper. Also, when doing the blinding, make sure the proper class of cement is used. And also another thing, the basement footing, ensure it's at the correct length. Yeah, so that's all about column reinforcement and basement reinforcement for the footbridge. Yeah. Thank you guys for staying till the end of the video. Please, if you haven't turned on your notification bell, please turn on the notification bell so that if I uploaded the next part, you can be the first to watch. And I'm so grateful for you taking your time to watch the video till the end. So please subscribe, like, and any necessary correction is also allowed. Please stay tuned for more video. Let's meet on the next part of the video. See you. Bye.